So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to fix Discord verification code invalid, time sync, SMS email fix and retry steps. So how to fix Discord verification code invalid? Fix the issue in Discord by enabling automatic date and time, as incorrect time can make code expire instantly. Request a new verification code and use it immediately. Since old or delayed code become invalid, check your network, spam folder and account details, then restart the app or contact support if the issue continues. So fix one is sync date and time automatically. Open settings on your phone, go to date and time, turn on automatic date and automatic time zone. Restart the Discord app and try again. Verification codes are time based, so if your phone time is incorrect, the code will be seen as expired or invalid. So fix 2 is check SMS or email delay. Wait at least 1 or 2 minutes after requesting the code, check your SMS inbox or email inbox carefully. Look inside spam junk promotions folder for email. Avoid requesting multiple codes quickly. If the code arrives late, it may expire before you enter it, causing the invalid code error. Fix third is request a new code. Tap on recent code in Discord. Wait for the new code to arrive. Enter only the latest code you received. Each new request cancels the previous code, so using an old code will always show it invalid. Fourth fix is check network connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Move to an area with better signal. Retry receiving the code. Poor network can delay or block OTP delivery, making the code expire before use. Fifth one is verify correct account detail. Double check your email address or phone number. Correct any spelling or number mistake. Request a new code after correcting details. If the code is sent to the wrong email or number, you won't receive the correct valid code. Sixth one is restart app or device. Close the Discord app completely. Restart your phone. Open Discord again and request a new code. This clears temporary bugs or glitches that may interfere with the verification. Seventh is contact Discord support. Go to Discord support website, submit a request with your email, phone detail, explain the invalid verification code issue, follow the instruction given by support. If the issue is account related or server side, only Discord support can resolve it. Thank you.